A shocking look behind closed doors. Introducing Earthlings. Earthlings, a 2005 documentary narrated by Joaquin Phoenix, offers a stark and unsettling look at humanity's relationship with animals. The film's title refers to all beings inhabiting Earth, advocating for equal consideration regardless of species. Through hidden cameras and footage obtained undercover, Earthlings exposes the routine cruelty inflicted upon animals for human benefit. The film's objective is not merely to shock, but to awaken viewers to the uncomfortable reality of animal exploitation. It aims to bridge the gap between our consumption habits and the sentient beings who are subjected to unimaginable suffering to sustain them. By confronting us with difficult truths, Earthlings compels us to question our ethical responsibilities towards other species. Earthlings serves as a powerful indictment of our species' capacity for compassion and indifference. It forces us to confront the consequences of our choices and encourages us to seek more ethical and sustainable ways of coexisting with our fellow Earthlings. Animals as commodities exploitation in various industries. Earthlings systematically unveils the systemic cruelty inherent in various industries that rely on animal exploitation. Factory farming, with its cramped and unsanitary conditions, subjects billions of animals to a life of misery. The film exposes the brutal practices inflicted upon animals raised for meat, dairy, and eggs, revealing a stark contrast to the idyllic images often presented to consumers. The fashion industry is equally implicated, as Earthlings reveals the suffering behind fur, leather, and wool production. Animals are often raised in cramped and unsanitary conditions, subjected to painful procedures like shearing and skinning, and slaughtered inhumanely for their pelts and hides. Scientific research, often touted as a necessary evil, is depicted in its most disturbing light. Earthlings exposes the use of animals in painful and often unnecessary experiments, challenging the notion that such practices are justified in the name of human progress. The film compels us to confront the ethical implications of using sentient beings as tools for our own advancement. Witnessing the unthinkable, disturbing truths revealed. Earthlings does not shy away from presenting difficult and often disturbing imagery. The film includes graphic footage of factory farm conditions, showing animals crammed into tiny cages, suffering from open wounds and exhibiting signs of severe psychological distress. The cruel practices of the fur industry are also exposed, with footage of animals being gassed, electrocuted, and skinned alive for their fur. These images, while difficult to watch, are crucial in conveying the reality of animal suffering that is often hidden from public view. Earthlings effectively dismantles the comfortable distance we often maintain from the origins of our food, clothing, and entertainment. It forces us to acknowledge the sentient beings behind the products we consume and the entertainment we enjoy. The film's unflinching portrayal of animal cruelty serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need for change. A call to action, the moral imperative for change. Earthlings is not simply a film, it is a call to action. By exposing the hidden realities of animal exploitation, the film compels viewers to question their own complicity in these systems of cruelty. It challenges us to acknowledge the sentience and inherent worth of all living beings, and to reject practices that inflict unnecessary suffering. The film's message is clear. We have a moral imperative to treat animals with compassion and respect. This requires a fundamental shift in our relationship with the natural world, moving away from a paradigm of exploitation and towards one of coexistence. Earthlings serves as a powerful tool for raising awareness and inspiring change. Its impact extends far beyond the screen, prompting viewers to reconsider their consumption habits, support animal welfare organizations, and advocate for more humane policies. The film's message is a timeless one, reminding us that our treatment of animals is a reflection of our own humanity.